So this little veggie patch here, I started working on middle of last year. School closures and stuff. It's been quite neglected. I'm just in here to refresh it, weed it, and try and start again. This basil did really well last year. This thing was up about this high with heads all over it. I've harvested the heads and we'll let the seed dry and use it again. We've got a pineapple over here. But as for what's going to go in here, we're coming into autumn season, and kinds of things to put in here would be, I guess, something that's going to be quick, or maybe something that'll give us some pumpkins that we can eat for later in winter. Yeah, it's pretty much a mess of weeds right now. These things grow on the side of the road. Look a little bit like a marijuana plant, but they're not. Stinking Roger, it's called. But yeah, we'll have a good old clean out and go from there.